There is no substitute for a well-written illustrated log of a cruise or travelogue. I have now done quite a few logs, and the techniques have evolved over the years. It is time-consuming to do, but it can be fun and provides a record that becomes increasingly valuable as you get older. I undertook to produce some articles on this subject, but decided that some matters were best dealt with by video tutorial, hence this series.
Any grib file can be viewed by Zygrib. This is the same grib file that we downloaded in New Zealand on our cruise in 2012. At the time we did not have Zygrib, but you can see that the display is much more colourful. By pressing the animate button, Zygrib will automatically create the individual weather charts that have been specified, in this case for 7 days. The sequence can then be played as a video. Pressing the Save button will save each individual chart, which can then be used in the log or incorporated into a video. Here you see the individual weather maps. There is another way of presenting Zygrib information called a meteotable. Here we zoom into the area of the passage and select a point halfway along the route. Right-click and select meteotable. Because we only requested wind and pressure, there is a lot of blank space to this table, but the other data can be requested if required. Some of the data is off to the right of the screen, so we will need to develop a composite. Use Alt Print Screen to place the image on the clipboard and place it in your image processor. To make space for the additional information, increase the size of the canvas by about 35%, making sure the present image is locked to the left side. Now return to the meteotable and expose the data to the right using the slider at the bottom of the screen. Using Alt and Print Screen again, place the image as a new image in your image processor. Use the Crop tool to remove the left-hand column. Copy this image, switch to the first image and paste the second image on top of it. Switch to the Move tool and drag the insertion to the right. Reduce the opacity to 50% and move the new image until the text on both images is aligned. Restore the opacity of the top image to 100%. Switch to the Pan tool to remove the box around the new image. Crop any surplus from the canvas. Then save the document, which can be used as a very compact presentation of weather data to be included in a text log. And that is all there is to it. However, Zygrib is much more versatile, which will be demonstrated in another video.